Today I'm going to teach you how to fix custom fonts that don't load on the front end in Elementor WordPress. If you've been experiencing issues where your carefully chosen fonts look perfect in the editor but fail to display correctly when visitors view your site, this quick fix will solve that problem for you. Let's jump right in. First, you'll want to go to your WordPress website dashboard and log in. Make sure you're using the correct credentials to access your site's backend. Once you're logged in, you'll see the main dashboard interface with all your WordPress controls laid out before you. Next, direct your attention to the left sidebar menu. Here you'll find a variety of options for managing your site. Locate and click on Elementor. This will expand a submenu showing you several Elementor-specific options that control how the page builder functions on your site. From the expanded Elementor submenu, click on Settings. This section houses all the configuration options for Elementor, allowing you to fine-tune how the plugin operates and displays content on your website. It's essentially the control center for your Elementor installation. Once you're in the settings area, look at the top of the page where you'll see several tabs. Click on the Advanced tab. This tab contains more technical settings that affect how Elementor handles various features, including font loading, which is exactly what we need to address. Now scroll down through the advanced settings until you locate Google Fonts Load. This setting specifically controls how fonts are loaded and displayed on your site. From the drop-down menu next to it, select Swap. The Swap option tells browsers to display a fallback font first while your custom font loads in the background, then seamlessly swap to your chosen font once it's ready. This prevents the dreaded invisible text issue and ensures your fonts display reliably. After selecting Swap, make sure to click Save Changes at the bottom of the page. This finalizes your adjustment and applies the new font loading behavior across your entire site. And that's it. Your custom fonts should now load properly on the front end of your Elementor site. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.